Hello everyone, it's Mr. John from AKDragonFish3D, and today we are at Cushman Lake. I've got both Anna and Samantha, and we're going to cover casting techniques. Casting. First and foremost, you'll notice Anna, there we go, casting distance. It's like an axe, right? If you can hold your rod out and hit somebody, you're either too close to them or they're too close to you. So this is a spinning reel, push button. You would push the button, spinning reel, you throw the bail, you hold the line, and when you throw, you let go of the line. Like that. And when it hits the water, you throw the bail again. You want to aim in the direction you want to have a general idea of which way you want to go. That way you don't hit anyone to the left or to the right. Two basic casts for beginners, for small folk, children, whatnot, would be the side cast and the overhead cast. So the side cast, it's like a baseball swing, but just lighter, like tennis racket swing. So you set your, either by pushing and holding the button or throwing your bail, and you just throw it to the side. And once again, as soon as it hits the water, you throw your bail. Like I covered in the reel video, don't just start reeling. With a spinner reel, don't just start reeling. Throw your bail, then reel. With button rods, you can get away with just reeling. So the second type of casting is an overhead. So be mindful of who's behind you. This is why my side kicks are to my right. And you're going to pull back and then let go. What I tell these two is 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock. So you pull back to the 2 o'clock and then let go at the 10 o'clock. So Sam's going to be my sidekick here, and she's going to demonstrate the side cast. So you're going to demonstrate the side cast, Sam. Go ahead. You throw the bail, you grab the line, pull to the side, and yeeticus. All right, Sam, let's try that again, shall we? Talk me through it.
I like to hold the string because it's easier for me. I'm going to pull the bail. I'm going to go to 2 o'clock. Chuck it out there.
Yep.
And I'm going to throw the bail. We're going to put this thing.
Yep, you're going to throw the bail. Pull it back. I'm a bit too close for comfort because Sam got close to me. And reel it back in. All right, now Anna's going to demonstrate / practice the overhead cast. So the bail over the head and flick. She throws the bail as soon as it hits the water and reels it in. Once again, and grabs the string. She throws the bail. Then she pulls back and throws out the line. And that is the overhead cast. Okay, so that's casting techniques. Wave, girls. Bye. Thanks for watching.